Okay, so one thing that's real refreshing about a keto lifestyle is that you can do a variation on salads, all different types of salads. That's not the only thing that they eat, but it's a fun little thing to do. And one standard that most people that live that lifestyle know about is the Big Mac salad. With that being said, you can add things that would typically come on a Big Mac, but you can also add certain things that you like. For instance, black olives, or maybe some jalapeno peppers chopped up, or some of those banana peppers that are real hot, and you could chop those up in it. Just different things like that. Stuff that you would like on your burger. You could probably even throw a little bit of bacon in there. But I'm just going to show you today just the basic salad. You can literally find variations and the actual salad anywhere on the internet. I just thought that I would show you how I do it. So I've already got my lettuce ready, and it's a mixture of iceberg and romaine. And I've got some chopped tomatoes. Some of these are cherry tomatoes, some of them are just regular beefsteak tomatoes. Now, the hamburger meat that I use, I like to get those pre-made hamburger patties and cook those. And we could grill them, or I could cook them in a pan, but our main go-to is baking them in the oven. And that way I don't have to keep standing there flipping it forever and checking it and everything else. So I get a cookie sheet out and I put my burgers on there, pop it in the oven, 400, 425. I come by and flip them maybe once, and then they're done, just in a matter of so many minutes, probably less than 20 minutes. But today I just fried some hamburger meat loose, and that's what I'm using for this salad. I'm making this for my husband, so it's not as big as what I would make for myself. And then I had some whole, like real big whole dill pickles, and I chopped those up. You do not have to use that though. My main thing that I like to use is little small kosher dill pickles that are real crispy, and I chop those up and put that on there. Or you could probably even do dill relish, because it's all it is chopped up pickles. But it needs to be dill. I've never had it with sweet. I've never seen it with sweet pickles. You probably could do it, but I guess it all depends on what you like. And cheddar cheese. Y'all know I shred mine myself most of the time. And the last thing we would put on there is Thousand Island dressing, and this is the brand that we use because it's the best tasting one, and it's better than any of them to me. And then you just put that on there, and that's it. But like I said, you can literally put, any kind of add-ons that you would like. Okay, that's it for today, y'all. Just thought I would show you how I make a Big Mac salad. See you next time.